men dead from two-vehicle crash in St. Mary. 5 men on motorcycles die after crash in Temple Hall, St. Andrew. 65-year-old chef dead, another injured from car crash in Clarendon. Skeletal remains found in St. Elizabeth, believed to be that of missing farmer. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 2 more persons have reportedly died from injuries they sustained in Sunday's two-vehicle crash in Stuart Town near Boscobel in St. Mary. The deceased are 29-year-old Sidney Kondopa of Highgate, St. Mary, Sadiche Chatterson, and another man only identified as Lammy. Reports are that about 7:20 a.m., Kondopa was driving a Toyota Probox motorcar with passengers on board when he lost control of the vehicle, which collided with a Toyota Hiace motorbus that was traveling in the opposite direction. The police and firefighters were alerted to the scene, where several passengers were taken from the wreckage. At least 2 other persons are said to have been admitted in hospital in serious condition. 5 men traveling on motorcycles were killed in a crash in Temple Hall, St. Andrew on Sunday. Reports are that the crash took place at about 9:45 p.m. in the Clark's Hill section of the community. Details as to what took place are unclear at this time, but reports are that 3 motorcyclists and 2 pillion passengers were traveling in the mentioned area when there was a collision with a bus. The injured men were rushed to the hospital, where they were pronounced dead. More details to come later. An elderly chef died of injuries he sustained when the motorcar he was driving crashed along Bustamante Drive in Lionel Town, Clarendon on Saturday. The deceased is 65-year-old Courtney Williams of Rocky Point, Clarendon. Reports from the police are that about 2:45 p.m., Williams was driving a Honda Stream motorcar along the roadway with a passenger on board when he lost control of the vehicle, which crashed into a light pole. The vehicle then overturned. The police were alerted and both injured persons were assisted to the hospital, where Williams was pronounced dead and the other person was admitted for treatment. The Lionel Town Police are probing the development. The skeleton remains of a man were found in Flagaman District in St. Elizabeth on Saturday. The remains are believed to be that of Chase Parchment, a 34-year-old farmer from Flagaman. Parchment had been reported missing to the police from January 2, 2022. More details to come following further investigations.